Now let's move on to psychological traditions. Later thinkers and researchers emphasized and researched that these disorders are a cause of social and psychological causes such as stress and anxiety, not some bodily problems or spirits or which can be recovered by ojas, exorcism or medicines given by traditional doctors or veds that we called in earlier time. It is due to difficulty in understanding interpersonal relationships, about which we learned in chapter 1 in the 8 type multiple intelligence theory by Howard Gardner, is that the ability to understand other emotions well. If you haven't seen that theory yet, go back to my channel and study the chapter 1 and the theories which I have explained clearly there on my channel. Treatment focused on talking with your client about their problem, reasoning them. Why not to blame your own self from the problem you are facing? It's not your fault. Making them believe and creating high self-esteem in them. Creating supportive environment, making your client comfortable, is that forming a proper rapport with the client is necessary. Medieval period, shift towards humane treatment, moral therapy. Here therapy came into existence. People began to seek therapy for these disorders, and with time people believed in these therapies, and psychologists, counseling and the profession evolved. Institutions started focusing on care, support and work-based rehabilitation. They healed various areas: love, relationships, work based, academics, supported mentally rather than just giving physical support to an individual. The mental support and confidence the client actually required at that time. Advances in medicine and psychology led to scientific study. Advances were made in the field of psychology. Study of mental illness became a popular career option and the need for that time, and it evolved various fields of psychology which are still evolving today. Some of them are counseling psychology, clinical psychology, studying therapy, learning about psychiatry, business psychology, pain psychology. In today's time there is almost every field that requires psychology. No field is that which does not require psychology. In modern times, psychology is the basic need of an individual today. The best thing you can learn in today's time is psychology, which can help you heal not just physically but emotionally too. People started seeking more therapy, started focusing on care, support, work, and rehabilitation. Knowledge, awareness began to spread among individuals that not only traditional doctors can recover. Psychology is the main branch to support an individual. Both mental and physical health hold equal importance. If we look in today's time, in India, there are almost 66 CR mental health job seekers and employment places in India, but still there is a lot to explore in this field, and still some people are there who are not aware about this. We soon let's take this motive to give psychology a global respect, and it should receive from an individual.